After 15 years, how is my Logitech speaker system holding up? This is the legendary Logitech Z906. It's a 5.1 surround sound speaker system. My thoughts after a decade and a half of daily use in today's 2-minute review. The system has 5 satellite speakers and a subwoofer. I've set up the satellite speakers on my standing desk. There's 2 speakers either side of the monitor and then the center speaker is in the middle. Then the last 2 speakers I've set up on my side. In Windows, you can configure if those additional speakers are to the side, like they are in my case, or if they are behind you as rear speakers. On the desk, I also have the control console. More about that at the end of the video. The control console and the 5 speakers, they all connect to the subwoofer, which is the 6th speaker in this setup. I placed the subwoofer in the corner of the room, which is the recommended placement for the best bass experience. The subwoofer also has the power cord, as well as all the audio connections that you would ever need. I've connected my speaker system to my PC with the standard 3 cables that you use for surround sound. But on the back of the subwoofer, there are also many other connections you can use. This includes an optical connection. I bought this Logitech Z906 about 15 years ago, and it's still going strong. The audio is as full, as crisp as it ever was. It's brilliant. During the 15 years, I've certainly had some accidents and dropped 1 or 2 of the speakers 3 or 4 times from the desk, which is about waist height, and they still work perfectly. The system has not received any kind of maintenance. I just wipe them off with a damp microfiber cloth when they get dusty, and that's it. The only thing I could think of in terms of wear and tear is that one of the rubber feet on the bottom of the control console, in fact one of the middle feet, became a bit loose, and I just popped it back in. Reflecting on what other people have said about the speaker system, I have not had any issues with overheating or with short circuits or any other quality issues like that. From my experience, this is just a very durable, high-quality speaker system. If my Logitech Z906 speaker broke today, I would go out and buy a new unit tomorrow. The price is usually around $250, but you can get it under $200 as well when there's a sale on. Make sure to check the link in the description below for the latest pricing and availability. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, 2-minute reviews, for more quick product reviews. Thank you for doing that. I also did a review of this Logitech Z906 speaker system after 10 years. In that video, I went into more details about some of the features of the control console, including one port that I think is underappreciated. Click or tap the screen right here to watch that review now. Thank you very much for watching 2-minute reviews. I appreciate you being here, and I will see you in the comments.